Meaning of episiotomy.
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 Episiotomy. Episiotomy is a surgical incision made in the perineum, which is the area between the vaginal opening and the anus, during childbirth to enlarge the vaginal opening. The procedure is typically performed to prevent tearing of the perineum during delivery and to make the passage of the baby easier. However, studies have shown that routine episiotomies may not be necessary and can result in increased pain, discomfort, and longer healing time for the mother. In some cases, severe tearing can still occur despite an episiotomy, and the procedure can also increase the risk of incontinence and sexual dysfunction.